Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we are going to check out 5 popular pixie haircut ideas. The first one is going to be of this gorgeous curly pixie. Now if you do have natural curly hair, just wearing your hair in a pixie is very hot right now. But if you don't, you can always grab a hot tool and create some texture and nice curls within your own hair. And that is what we are seeing here with this particular hairstyle. This is a very messy, chic way to rock the pixie, and I am loving the amount of texture that she ends up creating with this look. Next up, we have the ever popular super short pixie haircut. Pixies are definitely getting shorter and shorter, and this variation is definitely right up that alley. The stylist does kind of spike the hair, creating a little bit of texture in that one. And then we move on to this longer pixie haircut. This one does feature longer bangs in the front. It just provides a nice amount of length for the client to play around with. And then we move into more of this colored pixie. This pixie is absolutely gorgeous. She has a nice hint of rainbow going on underneath this platinum blonde. And I think that this is just a very creative way to rock color in the form of a pixie. Then we move on to this pixie haircut that does feature bangs. So she ends up first dyeing her hair, touching up that platinum shade, and then she does go in and actually cuts her own bangs in order to create this stylish look. This pixie does have a very strong kind of 90s feel to it due to the bangs. And then next up, we are going to see this silver pixie transformation. As you guys know, silver and platinum hues are huge for 2022, and I love the fact that she braided this one. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed checking out these pixie haircuts with me. If you did, be sure to give this video a like, and I will see you in the next one.